Periodic trends and chemical reactivities. Periodic trends and chemical reactivity. The maximum chemical reactivity at the extreme left among alkali metal is exhibited by loss of electron leading to the formation of cation, and at extreme right among halogens is shown by gain of electrons forming an anions. This property can be related with the reducing and oxidizing behavior of the elements, which you will learn in detail later, but you must know that metals can lose electrons, so they act as reducing agent. Non-metals can gain electron, they can act as oxidizing agent. However, here it can be directly related to the metallic and non-metallic character of the elements. Thus, the metallic character of element which is highest at the extremely left decreases and non-metallic character increases while moving from left to right across the period. The chemical reactivity of an element can be best shown by the reactions with oxygen and halogens. Here, we shall consider the reaction of elements with oxygen only. Elements on the two extremes of the period easily combine with oxygen to form oxides. The normal oxides formed by element on the extreme left is most basic. For example, sodium oxide is most basic. Whereas that formed by the extreme right is most acidic. For example, Cl2O7. It's called chlorine heptaoxide. Oxides of elements in the center are amphoteric. Amphoteric means acidic or basic. Al2O3 and arsenic oxide. They can be neutral also. For example, carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide and nitrous oxide. N2O is also called laughing gas because it attacks nervous system. Amphoteric oxides behave as acidic with bases and bases with acids, whereas neutral oxide has neither acidic property nor basic property. Among transition metals 3D series, the change in atomic radii is much smaller as compared to those of representative elements across the period. The change in atomic radii is still smaller among inner transition metals, that is 4F and 5F series. The ionization enthalpy of D block elements are intermediate between those of S and P blocks. As a consequence, they are less electropositive than group 1 and 2 metals, and they are more electropositive than P block elements. In a group, the increase in atomic and ionic radii with the increase in atomic number generally results in gradual decrease in ionization enthalpy, and there is a regular decrease. Thus, the metallic character increases down the group and non-metallic character decreases down the group. This trend can be related with reducing and oxidizing property, which we will study later. Nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. The naming of new elements had been traditionally the privilege of the discoverer for discoverers, and the suggested name was ratified by IUPAC. IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In recent years, this has led to some controversy. The new elements with very high atomic numbers are so unstable that only minute quantities, sometimes only a few atoms of them, are obtained. For example, both American and Soviet scientists claimed credit for discovering element 104. The American named it Khrushchevium. To avoid such problems, the IUPAC has made recommendation that until a new element's discovery is proved and its name is officially recognized, a systematic nomenclature to be derived directly from the atomic number of the elements using the numerical roots for 0 and the numbers 1 to 9. The roots are put together in order of digits which make up the atomic number, and IUM is added to at the end. Digit 0 is represented by NIL and abbreviation is N. 1 by UN, abbreviation is U. 2 by BI, abbreviation B. 3 tri, abbreviation T. 4 quad, represented by Q. 5 pent, represented by P. 6 hex, represented by H. 7 sept, not hept, sept, denoted by S. 8 oct, represented by O. 9 ENN, represented by E. Now using this, let's name these compounds. 101 will be called unilnium. Symbol will be UNU. Mendelevium is the official name and the symbol is MD. 102 will be called as unilbium. symbol will be U and B. Nobelium is the official name and No is the symbol. Unil trium, U and T. Lawrencium is the official name, LR is the symbol. Unil quadrium, U and Q. Rutherfordium, RF is the symbol. Unil pentium, U and P. Dubnium is the official name, DB is the symbol. Unil hexium, U and H. C Borgium is the official name, SG is the symbol. Unil septium, 107, UNS is the symbol. Bohrium is the official name, BH is the symbol. Unil octium is UNO. Hussium is the official name, HS is the symbol. Unil neum, UNE is the symbol. Meternium is the official name, MT is the symbol. Unilnium, UUN is the symbol, 110, and Darmstadtium, DS is the symbol. Unilnium, UUU, Roentgenium is the official name, RG is the symbol. The latest UNBM, UNB is the symbol, and Copernicium is the official name, symbol is CN. 113 is called Trium, UUT, and same way UUQ is Quadrium, Pentium, Hexium, Septium, Octium. These are for UUO is the symbol. So from 113 to 118, these are arbitrary names which will change to the official names after their discovery is proved.